Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Yeah guys, I'm back with another video and I'm so excited because in this video I'll be showing you how to make the perfect carrot oil at home. Like, this is the perfect way to make your carrot oil, which you can use on your face, all over your body, your hair, as well as cooking. So I'm going to use these 3 large carrots. I already washed them. Feel free to use any quantity of your choice. So the next thing is my hand grater. I'm going to use my hand grater, and the side I just pointed is the side I'll be using to grate my carrot. So you have to make sure you are very careful in order not to hurt yourself, because this grater is sharp and we don't want to hurt ourselves. Okay, so guys, just be very careful while doing this process. So now I have my carrots all grated and this is how it is looking like. Oh my god guys, see how it is looking like. It's a whole lot. So what I'm going to do is to transfer this carrot or grated carrot into my aluminum foil pan, and I line this my foil pan with parchment paper. So just feel free to use whatsoever you will be using to sun dry your grated carrot. So after putting it into this aluminum pan, I'm going to keep it under the sun until it finally gets dry. Like guys, this process, if you're doing it during the summer, it might be a lot easier because of the hot sun. So you just want to make sure you take your time and make sure the carrot really gets dry. Okay, and since now is a little bit cold, it took me a longer period of time to sun dry this carrot. So you see, it was a whole lot of carrots in the beginning, and now it has dried up, the quantity has reduced, but this is exactly how you want to make sure your sun-dried carrot looks like. Okay, so it took me 4 days to really dry this carrot because I wanted it to be dry. Make sure your carrot is dry. It might take you even a day if there's sunlight. Okay, so now I have this my glass container. I'm going to transfer the dried carrot into this glass container. Yes, you want to make sure you transfer every bit of your dried carrot into your glass container. Okay, I don't want anything to be left out. So now what I'm going to do is add my coconut oil, and this coconut oil is melted. If yours is not melted, please make sure you go ahead and melt your coconut oil. Okay, so for this quantity of dried carrot, I'm going to go in with this whole bottle of coconut oil, and at the end it wasn't enough, so I needed to go in with more. So how to measure it? This is the simple way to do it. You want to make sure the coconut oil covers all your carrots. Okay, you want to make sure it covers your carrot. Your carrot should be swimming inside your coconut oil, if you understand me well. So I just went in with more coconut oil, and at this stage I am fully satisfied. Like, the quantity of coconut oil is enough. So this is how it's looking like, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. So this is how it's looking like. I'm just going to cover it and keep it in a cold, dry place or dark, dry place. Make sure the place is, sorry, not cold and not hot. It should be at room temperature in a dark place. So I kept it for good 14 days. You want to make sure you keep it for 14 days. And today is day 15. Yesterday I wasn't really that chance, so I couldn't do it. Today is day 15 and this is how it is looking like. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it so that you can see what is inside. Guys, look at our carrot oil. Oh my god, it looks absolutely amazing. Like right now, I just love how the end result is looking like. And at this stage, you don't want to leave it like this. You want to make sure you separate the oil from the chaffs. Okay, and I'm just going to use my cup and my strainer to separate everything. So I'm just gonna carry it, pour it on my strainer just to make sure I separate the chaffs from my beautiful carrot oil. Okay, like guys, I'm loving this. This is the best process to make your carrot oil. Okay, carrot oil is so good. You can use it on your face, all over your skin, your hair. You can use it to cook. And if you want to make your carrot oil, just follow this simple and easy process. This is the best natural way to make your carrot oil. Okay guys, so now I'm going to transfer it into my storage container, and this can last for up to, as long as you want to keep it. It will last for that length of time because you use the natural process and there is no drop of water in this my carrot oil. Okay, I know this is the best carrot oil and this is the best method you can use. I achieved the best ever carrot oil. Okay, so guys, I'm going to close it, and oh my god, this is absolutely amazing, beautiful, perfect carrot oil. Guys, look at this. Are you not loving this? This is so beautiful. If you're looking for a way to make your carrot oil, guys, just follow these simple and easy steps and you are going to get the best result out of it. Okay, so guys, this is the finished product. This is how my carrot oil is looking like, and that will take us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, which I know you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.